Hello everyone. In this quick tip is going to be a pretty simple one. We're going to be looking at how to center text on a vertical sign. And I get asked this quite a few times, so I figured I'd make a quick video on how to do this. So we're going to make a sign about 10 inches wide, and we'll say about 60 inches tall. And we'll click OK. Okay, and then real simply, you could use the text within a vector box. And you don't have to draw a vector box. If you don't draw one, it will use the size of the job. So now if let's move this over here. If we open up the draw text within a vector box tool, we're going to start to type in welcome. And you can see it automatically takes the dimensions of our job. So we want to make sure our text alignment is set to center. And you want to select whichever font you want to use. This does not have to be a vertical font. This could be any font that you want to use. So we're going to type in welcome. So I'm going to use caps all locked. And you could see if I type in welcome right now, it's going to want to do horizontally. And we don't want it horizontally. We want it to go up and down vertically. So what I'm going to do here is you want to, instead of writing it all in one line, if I erase that, type the W and then click the Enter key, type the E, click Enter, then the L, then Enter, then C, then Enter, then O, and you're just clicking Enter between each letter. And that will place the letters on a separate line. And then you could see that will fill in the sign vertically and keep it nice and centered, as long as the text alignment is set to center. You can see if it was left, these would all be aligned left as well as right. So we want center. And then once that's done, if you think it's too small or too big, you can adjust the margin size. So right now I have it set to wide. If I set it to normal, you can see that fills it much better. And you can also set it to none, which would bring it right to the edge of the sign. So normal would probably look best in this case. And then you can also stretch the letters if you wanted to. So there's a vertical stretch and there's a horizontal stretch. So the horizontal probably won't apply in this case, except for the characters. You can stretch the characters. So those are some more options you could use to stretch it. And then also if you wanted to manually adjust the size, you could either type in a new dimension here, or you can hold your shift key and grab one of the corner handles and you can stretch that manually. So you can see I could fill it up a little bit better like that. And when I stretch that, it'll automatically adjust the size of our bounding box to whatever we just stretched it to. So that's how it would look in the end. So you can click close and you could see we have a nice looking welcome sign. And you can carve it just like this, or you can add whatever else you want to with this. So hopefully this quick tip helped you out. And if it did, make sure you like and subscribe for more.